It is March 7th, 2024, and I am a new Greenstalk gardener. And I have been busy for the last several days planting seeds. We are here in central Alabama, USA. It's been getting pretty warm. Things are blooming. And I wanted to just simply take a moment to document all the things that I've planted in the last couple of days. So I started, I think, on March 1st. And I have two here in the back of the house. That faces west, and that's south. And this is what we planted today. And since I'm new to this, I'm very, very excited to see what turns up, how things turn out, what's successful. I'm excited to see bursting flowers everywhere, and veggies and herbs. Really, really excited.